This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Josie Rakob. Delightful Northeast Palm Bay home, excellent location, no HOA. Home offers high-impact windows with accordion shutters for maximum protection from hurricanes. All appliances stay. Open floor plan with large entertaining area and Florida room which may be converted to a fourth bedroom. Updates include newer hot water heater, AC, newer garage door, newer toilets, master bath has upgraded shower. Beautiful tile throughout home. Freshly painted interior and exterior. Garage offers a workshop area and freshly painted floor. Great lot with plenty of room for parking, as well as a shed in the backyard. New electrical panel home has close to 1,600 square feet. Come and see this home today and make it your own. For more information, review the details below or contact Josie Rakob at 321-308-3243.